The breaking news that we are now getting in from Uttar Pradesh. As we are learning that Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is visiting Prayagraj. He, in fact, is formally now concluding the Mahakumbh Mela. The Chief Minister will be honouring, we are told, the sanitation workers, healthcare professionals, and also many others who have been involved in the Mahakumbh. So, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath there at the Mahakumbh on the last day of the largest religious congregation there at Prayagraj. This is concluding the Mahakumbh Mela, and there he is visiting the Sangam and also offering his obeisance to Sangam as he concludes the Mahakumbh Mela. We're also learning on how there is going to be the Chief Minister honouring the sanitation workers along with the healthcare personnel and all the other people who have been involved in making this grand religious congregation a success, bringing it to a grand closure. We also, in fact, learning on how this is coming in close on the heels of Prime Minister really speaking about the Mahakumbh and asking for some sort. He's in fact repenting on any sort of a lack when it is about management of the Mahakumbh. He is asking Ma Ganga in that tweet of his, that any sort of a lapse should be spared if at all has been done on their part. Let me in fact take this across to my colleague Amit, who is with us on the broadcast. Amit, we are putting out these visuals of Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath at the Mahakumbh. He's concluding things with the आरती at the Sangam.
या इस वक्त संगम में मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ मौजूद हैं। 66 करोड़ 30 साल प्रधानमंत्री ने
We have a problem with that link of Amit Singh's. We'll try and re-establish that connection, but from what you can see in the visuals, you see Yogi Adityanath paying obeisance to Sangam. This is the conclusion of the Mahakumbh Mela under Yogi Adityanath's administration in Uttar Pradesh. Remember, this is not without its share of controversy, something for which the Prime Minister has apologized if at all there was any amount of mismanagement that could have got the people who were visiting Mahakumbh at the short end of the stick. That is what he's claimed. And now we see Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath visiting the Mahakumbh as he concludes the largest religious congregation, the festival. It comes to a close after Mahashivratri, and we are seeing how Yogi Adityanath is performing that aarti there at the Mahakumbh. We are also learning about how he is later going to be honouring the healthcare personnel and many others who have been involved at the Mahakumbh, and also honour the sanitation workers at the Mahakumbh. Right now we do see him along with his ministers paying obeisance to the Sangam as he is currently at Prayagraj. We'll try and see if at all that link is back with my colleague Amit. Amit, क्या आप हमें सुन पा रहे हैं? All right, we'll get that connection sorted for our viewers, but right now this is what you can see on your screens as the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister is currently in Prayagraj concluding the Mahakumbh. My colleague Aman Sharma is also with us on the broadcast. Aman, that's an important and a very, very significant visual that we are presenting for our viewers there with the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister. He was there at the start of the Mahakumbh. He's there to conclude things at the largest religious congregation right after what the Prime Minister also said about the Mahakumbh.
Well, yes, definitely. And, the Chief Minister of UP, Mr. Yogi Adityanath, has made at least a dozen visits to the Mahakumbh during the entire 45-day duration of the spiritual festival which happened on the banks of the Ganga and the Yamuna. Today, he is there to officially mark the culmination of the 45-day Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj, which the UP government says saw a record number of nearly 66 crore plus people taking the holy dip over the last 45 days, a new record in terms of, and that the Yogi government is citing as an example of the good arrangements which were made for the pilgrims. Though the attacks came from the opposition on various accounts, and there was an unfortunate case of a stampede where 30 people lost their lives, but the UP Chief Minister still on the ground has been doing regular review visits during the Kumbh also, and his efforts have also in fact got a word of applause from the Prime Minister, who wrote a detailed blog today on the entire 45-day Kumbh festival, calling it an Ekta Ka Mahakumbh, and the Prime Minister also saying that how people from across the country, came to the Kumbh. There was no invite to anyone. There was no, formal invitation, but still people came out of their Astha in Hindu Dharma and in Sanatan Dharma, and that is why we saw this huge festival of spirituality in the Kumbh. So the Prime Minister's blog and now the Chief Minister visit, a fitting culmination of the 45-day Mahakumbh festival in Prayagraj.
Aman, thank you so much for that. In fact, we are getting some more updates about the Mahakumbh.